It is red, juicy, and has seeds. Just imagine the three characteristics. You can probably already imagine what fruit is meant. Yes, what else but tomatoes? Apart from being known as a natural mask ingredient, tomatoes are equally good for fulfilling nutrition during pregnancy, you know. Are you curious about the benefits of tomatoes for pregnant women? Read on for the following reviews. Yes. 1. Has a variety of important nutrients. It is no longer a secret, tomatoes are one of the fruits that are rich in vitamin C. It is proven that 100 grams (gr) of tomatoes contain 34 milligrams (mg) of vitamin C. The greater the amount of vitamin C in the body, the smoother the absorption of iron needed during pregnancy. 2. Smooth digestion. Like other fruits, the fiber content in tomatoes is no joke, so it can help improve digestion. Because it does not rule out, there are various stomach disorders or digestive problems that are often experienced by pregnant women. There are 1.5 grams of fiber in every 100 grams of tomatoes. The amount of fiber that is not small can help encourage peristalsis of the digestive muscles, provide enough fluid for digestion of food, to facilitate the disposal of food scraps or feces until it leaves the body. 3. Good source of antioxidants. Tomatoes contain high amounts of lycopene. Lycopene is an antioxidant that can help ward off cancer-causing free radicals. For example, cervical cancer, prostate cancer, stomach cancer, esophageal cancer, and so on. 4. Prevent pregnancy problems. Preeclampsia, pregnancy poisoning, is a pregnancy complication that is often experienced by pregnant women. The existence of disturbances in the development of the placenta and an increase in blood pressure are suspected as causes of preeclampsia. Interestingly, the 164.9 mg potassium contained in 100 grams of tomatoes are believed to increase blood flow and reduce pressure on the heart. As a result, high blood pressure can be more stable slowly. On the other hand, the benefits of tomatoes for other pregnant women are that they are able to prevent the risk of neural tube defects, anencephaly, and spinal cord defects during newborns. The folic acid content in tomatoes plays this important role. A few short tips from us. If it's useful, like and subscribe.